Okay, so first you're gonna need the camera set up like this. Usually on a tripod is the best way to go. If you can find it on a flat surface, that would also be good, as long as the camera does not move during the spotlight. We have the mic stand as well. The mic stand is probably one of the most important parts of the spotlight. So if you don't have your audio set up correctly, you have to restart. Same thing with visuals. You're gonna want a mic, SD card at the bottom. I'll put a list of the items that you need on the screen while I set everything up. Okay, you're gonna want the cool light in the background. Future Ethan can zoom in on that right there. Right there. And then I have warm light right here, which will be on the front side of the victim's face. When setting up the tripod, you can see right there, it will not focus, but you can see right there, in the middle of the tripod, there's a level. You gotta make sure the bubble is in the middle of the circle. Okay, as you can see, my setup's on an uneven surface. There's the camera, and right here is where the victim will sit. You need to make sure that the camera is leveled up to, they should look like this on camera. This should be the lowest point, and it should be above their head. So it'll be a little, like, it's a bad example, but like, it should be like that. So it'll be like this. The warm light will be more on his face. Haven't set it up yet. Then the cool light will be behind him, reflecting off the side of his face right there. But it'll be more like a highlight, so I need to move it back a little bit so it doesn't do that to his shoulder. Okay, so the camera settings are also very important for the spotlight. I'll put them on the screen since I'm going to review it afterwards. And then you'll have okay, here's the mic screen. As you can see, those are the lines that it should not go past. If I tap it a little bit, as you can see, it goes way past it. If the victim talks and it goes over those lines, then they're too loud. Not on them, but you need to lower the gain of the mic so that it doesn't, as you can see, look, it barely even goes past, so. If this will be the view from the camera setup right here, see Mr. Wittenberg in his little spot right there. You'll have the warm light that's right here on this side of Mr. Wittenberg's face, and then the cool light will be the highlight in the back right there, as you can see on his neck right there. And obviously the victim will be 90 degrees, or not, 180? Yeah, 180 degrees in between these two lights, so it'll be right in the middle, or like where the radius stops right there. Before recording, the mic right there, you need to press that red button. So turn that button on. You can monitor. Can you talk for me for a second, Mr. Wittenberg?
Sure. Testing 1, 2. Mic check. 1,
Okay,
2.
as you can see, it is too low, meaning that I need to turn it up by quite a bit. If you could talk one more time.
Mic check. 1, 2. Testing. Mic check. 1, 2.
And adjust it to wherever you need to.
1, 2. Testing. 1, 2. Mic check.
Alright.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Frost nipping at your nose.
Once you start the video, which I will go ahead and do. Obviously, y'all know how to start a video. If you can't, then you shouldn't be in this class. So the video started. You will have the subject clap. Can you clap for me, sir? That is where you can sync this audio to the mic's audio so that you don't have to do it manually.
Go Texans! Woo!